Alright guys, we just wrapped up the call on this Ford 750 bucket truck. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that's subscribed and watched our videos. I think we're about 150, no, we're 53 people away from the 1,000 that we need. And then on watch hours, I think we're 189 away from being able to apply to be monetized. So when we started this out in August last year, I didn't plan it would do any good. I figured it would just be posting shorts and everything else and just kind of forgetting about it. But we're coming up on almost a year, and we are almost ready to apply to be monetized. That's pretty cool, and I just wanted to say thank you to everybody. So enjoy this short video on us fixing this truck over here. It's just a quick video. There's some shorts out of me diagging it, and so I don't know, not good at talking on camera yet, but thanks guys, enjoy the video. What's up everybody? We're out here doing this fan hub on this 2015 F750 with the Cummins. So I'll flip it around. So we came out here yesterday, we diagged it, I ordered the part. Didn't have a socket, or not a socket, a wrench big enough to get this fan hub off the engine, so we're gonna go ahead and, oh, I got it loose. I got it broke free now. I'm gonna air hammer it. We did it with the air hammer. You see it up in there. So I don't have a tripod in the truck, so it's just gonna be a shorter video pieced together. So let's get this thing started. So since we got it broke free with the air hammer, I just use a flat bit like that. Got my air hammer over here. I use this one too, small one, chisel. So that's off. We're gonna blow out the radiator too, because with this being a bucket truck, so anything tree related usually packs the radiators with shaving, sawdust, you name it, it gets in there, and that also restricts it. So we got the fan clutch off with the blades. I'm gonna pull these 6 bolts out and put the new fan hub, fan clutch assembly, put the fan on the new fan clutch assembly, and then we'll put it back on, and then once we get it tight, I'll hit it with the air hammer once, and that should lock it down. But before we do that, I'm going to blow the radiator out for both sides. The front side, which this one doesn't look too terrible bad. It's a 2015, it's got like 61,000 miles, but with this thing being up on the PTO and being a bucket truck, I'm sure the engine hours are outrageous on this thing. So let me get the other one unboxed and we'll go from there. So we got our 3/8 socket set, we got a 3/8 ratchet, and then here's the new fan clutch. Ford Motorcraft fan clutch. Get this thing unboxed real quick. Get it pulled out. That's what we need. So go ahead and grab a 1/2-inch socket. I have all my impacts, but I have no batteries. Somebody has raped and pillaged my batteries out of my truck. So let me get these all broke loose with this ratchet, and then we'll go pick back up. Alright, we got them all broke loose, taking out the last one now. Be nice if I had my impact. I've got the blade off. Shove it over here. Line up the holes. That looks good. I'm gonna check the truck, see if I got a little dab of blue Loctite to put on these, just so they don't back out. They weren't real tight to begin with, so I just want to make sure we don't lose a fan when this thing's running up on the PTO, destroy a bunch of stuff. So stand by. Alright folks, I found a little bit of blue Loctite. I got these all tightened up, so we'll see how hard this, trying not to break it, hold it on, but I mean, it takes a lot of force to even try to turn that thing. This one, See all that sawdust coming out of the radiator and the condenser? That's not helping our situation with this thing overheating. Lost intercooler, some water in there. So we'll keep blowing on this so we get nothing coming out, and then that should help some of the cooling issues on this thing. Alright, we got it all blown out. We got the new one, the threads are started, so we'll get it, turn it, so it tightens up. Seems pretty tight, so now I'll get the air hammer out, and then we'll just hit it once right there. Bye! And then that should snug it up. The rotation of the motor will tighten it up some more. Like I said, I apologize, I don't have a tripod. I'm trying to get my stuff together. I'm Mr. Unprepared as always, but we always make it work. We'll take 2 sticks and some baling wire and some duct tape, and we'll get something fixed. That's just how we have always been. So let me get the air hammer set up, and we'll go ahead and get this on. Alright guys, we're all set up, so let's give it a hit. Tight. That's all we're doing. Like I said, the rotation of the motor will tighten it up on its own. So let me get the tools picked up, which ain't much to pick up, just a socket set, a ratchet, garbage. Put this away, and then we'll fire it up, let it idle up, and see if it cools itself down this time. Alright guys, let's fire it up. Oh, there's cups in here. Whoever drives this truck short as hell. Key in the ignition, in neutral, fire up. E-brake is on. So let's let this unit warm up. See if it gets hot, overcomes up. Shuts down the PCM. While we're running, I can already feel that fan hub of the air being pulled through the radiator. Thinking we should be good to go, but we got to let it warm up for about a half hour. So guys, we've had the old girl running for a while up on the PTO. As you can see, I got it engaged. We're not even really to half. They said this thing was heating up quick, so I just talked to the guy. I did drive around here in the parking lot. They got a pretty big parking lot here, but with all the kids and stuff, I wasn't trying to push it too far. So they are going to take this truck out tomorrow and let us know how it performs. I guess he's got 30 more trucks up here. So there's probably about, I think he said altogether there's 50 bucket trucks up here with chippers and everything. So he may be calling back for some more work in the next couple days. But this one, that takes care of this 2015 Ford F-750 with a 6.7 Cummins engine in it and with a manual trans. So I appreciate you guys watching and supporting us. You guys are truly amazing. We were pretty close to getting monetized, and we wouldn't be able to do that without everybody that watches all these videos. I know some of them ain't very good, but I still try. Things will start getting better. We'll get some more equipment to actually kind of film some stuff better. But like I said, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.